Welcome to Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. Today's recipe was inspired by a YouTube video that I watched, and it's late night ramen. So you will need 1 chicken flavored ramen, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 to 2 eggs, 1 to 2 green onions, which is optional, 1/4 teaspoon of red peppers, which I'm not putting those in mine because I don't really care for that much heat. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of bagel seasoning. You'll need a stove, a pot, a colander, water, frying pan, tongs, a small bowl, fork, a knife, and a cutting board, and pot holders so you don't get burnt. And make sure to wash your hands, please. So the first step is you're going to cook your ramen. Follow the instructions on the package. Boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan. You're going to add the noodles and cook for 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Turn off heat. Add contents of flavor package. Stir well for 1 minute until flavor is fully dissolved. Makes 2 8-ounce servings. Product is very hot. Allow to cool and serve and enjoy. So ramen is actually too salty for me, so I'm going to add the chicken flavor to it right now. So it's going to be in the noodles. It'll be cooked in the noodles. And then once I drain it, most of it will be off of it, but it'll kind of have some of the flavoring. So we are going to go ahead and let the water get happy because we're going to cook our ramen. Once it starts to boil, we'll cook it for 3 minutes. While we are waiting on our water to boil, we are going to dice up these green onions. I'm going to do one at a time. So we're going to cut the roots off and then a little bit of the green. So we are going to dice it up in small pieces. Make sure you wash them and they're clean. I'm going to take this piece of skin off. Doesn't help, I'm using a dull knife. You don't have to use all the green part of the leaf. Here's my first one. So we're going to cut the roots off. So this is a root vegetable, so it grows down in the soil like this, and the roots are down in it. And the green is above the soil. See if there's any. We're going to take a little bit of the, peel a little bit of the skin off of it. And you are not going to cook the green onions. This is just to garnish the ramen. I like a lot of onions. Onion is one of my favorite things. Ta-da! This is what it looks like, and I'm making a mess. So we are going to set this aside so it's ready to go. So I have my butter in the pan. It's starting to melt a little bit. While the water, which is AKA chicken broth, because we had the chicken seasoning in it, is getting happy. So we are going to go ahead, and you can use 1 to 2 eggs. We're going to crack 2 eggs. The guy in the video cracks them really weird. I don't know if I can do it. Let's see. He does it like that, and then he squeezes, which makes a mess. because I don't know what I'm doing. But he didn't make a mess like that. Make sure you wash your hands. So go ahead and scramble your 2 eggs. This whisk is too big. And I didn't get a metal fork out. But it's working. Check that out. So we are going to scramble these and set them to the side. My butter is getting happy. So if you kind of swirl it around there, put it back on the burner so it can continue to get happy. Okay, eggs are scrambled. Okay, my water's boiling, so go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and add my noodles. And we're going to let them get happy for about 3 minutes. And you can stir them occasionally. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add your garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. And 1 teaspoon is about 1 clove of garlic. My butter is melted. I'm going to turn it up a little bit so this can get happy. Mix it up in the butter. You're going to need tongs for your noodles. I'm going to use my tongs. Ooh, yeah, they're cooking. They're getting pretty soft. Kind of stir them up here. Let them get happy. So my noodles are cooked. Let me show you. They look good. So you want to go ahead and drain them with a colander. So what is a colander, Miss Ann? A colander is like a bowl with holes. Let me show you. So this is a colander. So you want to drain it in your sink. So my garlic is starting to get like lightly brown. You want to stir it up. There we go. So we're going to add a teaspoon of soy sauce. I like soy sauce, so I might add just a little bit more. It's okay because it gives the noodles a little flavor. I'm actually putting 2 teaspoons in. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in it. Mix the sauce. Oh yeah. Go ahead and stir that around. Oh, that smells so good. So this is what it looks like. So we are going to take our drained noodles and incorporate them in our sauce with tongs here. Ooh, that smells good. You're going to toss it, mix it all in. I'll lift the pan up in a minute so you can see it. Oh, look at those noodles. There you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You want to incorporate the sauce in the noodles. So put your noodles to one side. And yes, it is time to add the scrambled eggs to the opposite side. Okay, we're going to let them get happy. And you can stir them around a little bit. Okay, go ahead and stir up the eggs a little bit. I'm not going to be able to show you what they look like, but they are starting to get happy. So, I'm going to break up my scrambled eggs a little bit. That's what it looks like. Take the tongs. We're going to incorporate the eggs into the noodles. Oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put the green onions in there. Your green onions are basically going to be raw, but I'm going to go ahead and incorporate them in there. I'm going to add some of my bagel seasoning. This is Mrs. Dash, salt-free, everything but the salt. I think it's a teaspoon you're supposed to add, but I'm just sprinkling some on it. You can add a little bit of salt to it, pepper, taste it, or season it how you would like. Break the scrambled eggs up here. Hard to get the eggs incorporated into the noodles, but mix them in a little bit. Do the best you can do. Alright. That's what we got going on. This is happy. I'm telling you. It is happy. Okay, and it smells good, so it makes me singing happy. Our late night ramen, check that out. It smells delicious. So I want to get a little bit of egg too. Twirl it on my fork. Well, it's not working out. Here, we'll do this, and I want a little bit of the onion. Have to tell you, this is delicious. So if you try any of my recipes, you have to try this one. This is delicious. This recipe is really good. The 2-ingredient bagels is really good, and the taco spaghetti is delicious. So I give this one most definitely a thumbs up. So please like my video in the comments. Leave your comment if you try it. Until next time, thank you.